Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on a 2015 Lincoln MKZ hybrid. This is the same process on all Lincoln MKZ hybrids ranging from 2013 to 2020. A special thanks to Huracan Automotive for allowing me to film this video. These guys are the only guys I trust my vehicles with. I will leave a link to their website in the description below. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button and show your support to the channel. Let's get started. For this project, you're going to need a 10mm socket and ratchet, a 15mm socket, an oil filter removing tool, and an oil drain pan. I'm using a Wix oil filter and the filter number is 51348. You'll also be needing a 4.3 liters of 0W20 synthetic oil. One thing to add is that you may also need a jack stand if you don't have a fancy lift like this laying around. Start off by removing this black undercover using your 10mm socket and ratchet. Remove and place the screws in a safe place so you don't lose them. This is the engine right here. The yellow line you see on that bolt is the drain plug. Use your 15mm socket to loosen the bolt and use your hands to unscrew the bolt once it's loose. Have your drain pan ready because 4.3 liters of dirty oil is going to come out. Once the oil is done draining, remove the oil filter using your oil filter removal tool. You can also install the drain plug back on again and hand tight it.
One, two, three,
Install the new oil filter. You don't want to over tight this because sometimes it will be very difficult to get the filter off during your next oil change. Just hand tight it. My mechanic is using some brake cleaner to clean any excess oil. You can use some paper towels if you don't have brake cleaner handy. Now it's time to add the engine oil. I usually go with Mobile One full synthetic oil, but this time we are using a Canadian oil brand called Boss Lubricants. we're going to need 4.3 liters of it. Check out the video where I got the valve covers replaced on this vehicle. The camshafts looked brand new. This shows that if you use good quality products and keep up with the maintenance on your vehicle, your engine will last a long time. Pour 4.3 liters of oil into the engine. My mechanic has got the experience, so he knows when to stop. But if you're not mechanically inclined like me or don't have that much experience, I suggest using a measuring cup because you don't want to overfill the engine. Close the oil cap and run the engine for about 30 seconds. Make sure to keep your foot on the gas, otherwise these hybrid engines won't stay running. Let the vehicle sit for about 2 minutes and check the oil level using the dipstick. Add oil if necessary. Check underneath the vehicle to see if there are any oil leaks, let's say in the filter area or the oil drain plug. And once that's clear, install the black belly cover back on. That's going to be it for today, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button and check out my channel for more content. See you all next time.